Hey there! Welcome to our video on making extra money. Today, we're going to explore some fantastic ways you can boost your income. So, let's get started. One of the best ways to make extra money is through freelancing. You can find freelancing opportunities on websites like https:/FinanceBuzz. Another great option is participating in online surveys. You can check out com/ways to make extra money for more information on how to get started. Selling handmade goods can be a fulfilling way to make some extra cash. Whether you're crafting jewelry, knitting scarves, or creating custom artwork, there's a market for unique handmade items. Platforms like Etsy, Artfire, and even social media can help you reach potential buyers. So if you have a creative streak, why not turn your hobby into a profitable side hustle? Renting out your space can be an excellent way to earn additional income. Whether you have a spare room, a garage, or even a parking spot, there are people willing to pay for that extra space. Websites like Airbnb, VRBO, and Spacer make it easy to list and manage your rental. So if you have some unused space, consider renting it out to make some extra money. In conclusion, there are numerous ways to make extra money, whether it's selling handmade goods, renting out your space, or exploring other side hustles. The key is to find something that fits your skills and interests. So take the first step today and start exploring the possibilities. With a little effort and creativity, you can turn your free time into a profitable venture. Subscribe, share, and click on the like button for more information on business growth.